Hello guys, welcome back to Study FX channel. On this channel, it's about forex trading, binary, and also crypto. So guys, on today's video or in this video, I'm going to give you a strategies of trading ADA 5. In my previous video, I did show you how to trade or ADA 6, ADA 7. Also, there is over even and not in so many videos, so make sure you watch those videos. So on today's video, we are going to concentrate on digits with green bar and also red bar. So for this strategy, number 4 has to have the most appearing percentage, like the green bar has to be on 4 and the red bar has to be on 1. This is ADA 5. Number 4 has to have green bar and number 1 has to be 1. So let's check another market to see if you are going to get a market with that criteria to see how it works. So make sure you try these strategies on your demo account before you go to live market. So keep tuned because I'm going to bring you rise and fall, even and odd, yeah, etc. So I'm going to try this market because 4 has the most appearing digit and 2 has the least, although for this strategy 1 has to have the least appearing, but you can see it's a bit less than 10%. So I'm going to try this market because, as I told you, waiting for one strategy may take you even a day, or you may not even find it because you have to switch from this. Before you switch, it have gone to another percentage. As you can see, it has shifted to 9 before I could even practice this strategy, but it's okay. For this strategy, I don't think it's under 5. As you can see here, most digits below 5, they have less percentage compared to digits over 5. So let me just shift to another market to see what's going on. Also, this one I'm going to ignore it, and let's look for market that at least in a Caribbean what we are reading. So let's say 6 has the most appearing. So that's why I advise you can learn more strategy. So 4 has a 8.9. So I'm going to ignore that. So I'm going to look for percentage. Even this one market, it's not good for over for ADA 5. So, and also another trick I did teach you guys, I don't know if you have watch my previous video to get the exact strategy I told you. As a beginner, when trading over digit, make sure the other digits, like let's say over 3, the other digits have, don't even look at that. Let me change here for over and under. So I'm going to take this market, although we were here, because 4 has the most appearing. So let me go with ADA. I wait for the cursor to touch 2 consecutive digits on the upper market, and I go ADA 5. I wanted ADA 5. So let's wait again for the cursor to touch 1, 2. Okay, 1. Okay, we wait again until we see 2 consecutive, at least 2 consecutive digits on over number, so that we can trade ADA 5. Let me go with ADA and see. So that's a win. So let's take another trade, 7. So I'm going with 2 digits to see how it goes like. That's a loss. 6, 8. That's a win. So guys, you can try this strategy on your own. Okay, let's wait. 8, 2, 5. So as you can see here, 2 and 9 are sharing digits, percentage, like they're competing. So the cursor might move to the upper side more. 11, 10. But this market, I think it's for over 3. So I think we can switch and see. This market, it's a good market for over 3 because for my previous video, I did show about the percentage. It's a good market for over 3. But that is for today, guys. Make sure you try the strategy I have shown you for under 5. So I'm just doing over 3 because I have spotted this market. It's good for over 3. So if you're using a bot, you just need to run the market 5 times and then you stop the bot. So that's why I usually recommend doing over 3, over 2, and also under 7. So guys, see you in my next video.